Hey there, FK8 and FL5 owners. Today, we're tackling a question that many of you have been asking. Can we machine wash and dry the Hyper Suede seat covers? Both suede and higher-grade Alcantara require gentle maintenance to avoid damage. To ensure the longevity of suede fabric, it's important to handle them with care and avoid excessive wear and tear. They can withstand the rigors of a machine wash and dry cycle without any issues. However, it's crucial to follow these simple steps for maximum protection. Use a mild detergent and avoid harsh chemicals in washing or bleaches, as they can damage the fabric's integrity. Set your washing machine on a gentle or delicate cycle. This will help prevent any tangling or damage to the suede material. Transfer the Hyper Suede seat covers to the dryer. Set your dryer on low heat or delicate cycle to prevent any damage or shrinking or fading of the fabric. Seat covers are still moist. Tumble dry on a regular setting if needed, or hang dry for 24 to 48 hours to make sure it's fully dried. This will help prevent any potential damage from high heat settings. It's essential to maintain and care for your Hyper Suede seat covers to ensure their longevity and quality. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope this helps you keep your Hyper Suede seat